Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really excited to present this vending machine powered by LEGO Mindstorms EV3, and it sells marbles. So now let's have a closer look at what's inside and what it does. So what are we waiting for? Let's try it out. Well, all the labels, they say coins in, marbles out. Well, they are 5p. Here's a 5p coin. Let's try it. Oh, and out comes a marble. But what if you didn't put a 5p in? Here's a £1. It comes back in the coin return slot. Then how about a 10p? That also comes back. Then how about a 20p? Comes back. Then there's a 1p. 1p's and 5p's don't make much of a difference in size. But when you try it, nope, they come back. So only a 5p works. Here's our second marble. So when I insert the coins, it goes down this track detected by this colour sensor. So if I insert a coin, you see the coin slides down and into this box which slides open. But I can't slide open. Why is that? Well, there's a combination lock to prevent anyone from stealing it, and you twist this knob. Let's twist it. Now let's try. I still can't open it. Well, I even need a key. There's a key slot here. And here is the coins. It's quite hard to get out. So there's even a drawer. And here is the coins that we have earned. Well, let's say the marbles are all sold out. Well, of course, on the front of the brick, it will display sold out, no more marbles. But then what if someone still puts a 5p in? Well, then, of course, nothing will happen. You just lost the 5p. You won't get it back. To prevent this from happening, this small servo can control that gate, which will open and close and prevents, and then the 5p's will also come back in the coin returns. So I've got a 5p. This is with the gate open, it goes in. But now if I close the gate and I have another 5p, I insert it and it just comes out straight through the coin returns. So I've just switched on the EV3 brick and just ran the program. So on the screen it says start setup, and I control it with a IR beacon. So using I press this button. Now it tells me to insert balls. So this is where all the balls are stored. To open the compartment, there's an elastic band which lets it immediately open. It has a maximum capacity of 6 marbles, but today I'll just put 4 in. Now I shut the door and we're all set. Now we'll close the top. Now I need to tell the machine how many marbles I've got. Again, I use IR beacon. Now it displays 4 balls. Now it asks me to insert 5p, so now the customers can come and buy my marbles. Let's try it again. Now there's it. Well, now there's a sound. It's out of balls. There are no more balls left. So even when I do insert a 5p, it goes right through. One tip I could improve on is so the 5p's can roll through better. Well, using the IR beacon, I press OK. Now it will tell me all the balls I have sold, which is 4. It tells me how much money I've earned, 0.2 pounds, which is basically 20p. Now it tells me to insert balls again. So I insert the balls, and then after that it's just a forever loop. It will keep selling them, keep adding up the monies, and then I'll have to keep inserting the balls. Here is the mechanism that lets the marbles out, that dispenses the marbles. So this motor is attached to it, as this arm controls the opening and closing of the coin gate, and this is where all the marbles are stored. Here's the elastic band door, held back by this switch, and you insert the marbles into there. At the bottom, controlled by the motor, is this that can spin. There are 3 of these teeth that will block and unblock the hole, letting one marble out at a time. That's a pretty simple mechanism, and it's very useful. Now let's see the locking mechanism. This is the IR sensor that receives the IR beacon commands. Let's take that off and start. Here, everything in parts is all in that box. Let's have a these two. The knob which you spin is connected to this wheel, and this wheel has that peg, and it can push the other wheel. Each wheel will, this axle cannot pass through each wheel, except from, of course, here on each wheel there's only one opening here, which allows the axle to pass through. So you have to keep twisting this until both openings are aligned. Now let's have a look at the key mechanism. For the key, there's another axle. And on that there's a peg there, which cannot pass through that wall, except from when you twist it, or you need to do the combination. Except from when you twist it, and it's in the upwards position, it can go through. And then you have to twist it again. You can twist it again so it goes through the front hole, which you see here.